It's just another quick one. This is the Master Magnum lock, and this came as a pair. I'll show you in a second. This came as a pair, and Mark and myself went to the expo and decided to pick one of these up and share them. So I thought I'd just do a quick demo on it. I forgot I even had the thing. Just going to show you the new wrench that I've got. This is a, if you like, that could be called a C wrench. You see the shape of it there. The idea of this one is that it grips hold of the top of that keyway there, and it stops you binding up the top, so it actually grips onto that profile, onto the ward. Okay, I'm just going to colour code it HPC hook. Oops, you can't see it there. It's just a standard hook, fairly thin. Right, so it's only 4 pin. It's more to show you. Get your hands around this. More to show you the actual wrench in action as well, and how it works. Reset that, make sure it's locked. Hopefully it's locked. Right, here we go. It's a bit hard to get your arms around this camera as well. Oh, it's just the back one there. Quite a lot of tension on this one. It's amazing how much. There it goes. Right, let me just move the camera out. Alright, as you can see, it's open there. Took a little bit longer than I thought, but so it's only 4 pin. Right, just lock that back up. Yeah, so I'll have to find the key. Right, there's the key there. My second pin. The other 3 is sort of fairly level. Right, we'll just look quick look at the packet. I haven't even looked at this yet. It was bought last year at the expo. Number 1 choice. It'll have a hexagonal. Is it hexagonal? Let's have a look. Octagonal tough cut shackle onto this one. Dual armour. It's actually got ball bearings, so it stops you from shearing and pry resistant as well. Rust proof, blah blah blah. Alright, number 6 rating on the shock test. Obviously not their pick test, does it? Anyway, that's the Master Lock Magnum padlock. There she is there. I've got a great tape measure there. It will be a, let me just measure across the bottom of it. Well, it looks like 48mm, so 50mm padlock. Right, thanks for watching, and I'll do some more videos soon. Thanks.